Hi, my name is Doug Reed. I'm with the Riedel Wine Glass Company, and I'm here tonight in California to conduct the Riedel Veloce glass tasting. We're prepping for our event tonight. We're getting our wines pre-poured into these plastic cups so we can use these to hold our wines while we test the wines and enjoy the wines and experience the wines in the 4 different Riedel shapes. Every wine has a perfect shape that it performs best in. So we're pouring the Cabernet first, and ironically we're going to use it last. So all these wines have been refrigerated down to about 34 degrees. 34 is a little cool, but since these are going to sit out for about an hour before we get to them, we want to take them down to that temperature so they'll kind of naturally rise up to the perfect temp. 1950, Klaus Riedel noticed that he was getting a different experience out of his wines by drinking in all the different sizes and shapes of glasses that he was producing and exporting around the world. So he started experimenting, and there were certain things that he found out, like the fact that 1% of the volume in our glass is the information. The taste, the aroma, the color, everything that makes that wine what it is. So he realized that the size and the shape of the glass has to be a loudspeaker or a mouthpiece for that 1%. So this is just a step that nobody else really took, because people were producing glasses and still do to be decorative and to hold liquid. And that's where their design process stopped.